Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get these big natural looking defined curls. So I'm going to start off by brushing out my hair and making sure there's no tangles, and then I'm going to begin separating my hair into layers. For this tutorial I used 3 different layers. I separated my hair into 3 different chunks, but it actually works way better. The more layers you do, the better it looks because these curls are supposed to be really tight and really small. So the more layers, the better, but for the sake of time in this video, I did 3. So now I'm using my Zoe Professional 3-in-1 curling wand, and I'm using the attachment that is a 1/2 inch. So as you can see, I'm taking a super tiny small piece of hair and wrapping it around the barrel, and I'm bringing it as close to my scalp as possible without burning myself, because you want these curls to start at the root in order to give them volume and that really natural look. So as you can see, I'm just wrapping it around the barrel. I'm not doing anything special as I wrap it, and I'm holding it for roughly 10 to 15 seconds on the barrel. So as you can see, it's really tight and very Shirley Temple-ish, but that is what you want for this look. And it looks a little crazy at first, but once you get farther into it, it looks really good. So now I'm picking up a really small chunk of hair again, and I'm going to bring that curl around towards my face. So the first time I wrapped it around the wand facing away from my face, but now I'm wrapping it towards my face, and this alternating direction will make it look even more natural, because if you've ever seen someone with the naturally curly hair, their curls are different. They don't flow the same way. It makes it obviously look more natural and just less uniform if they are facing different directions. So you can do alternating like I do, and there's sometimes where I'll do like 2 going away from my face and 1 going towards my face. Just kind of mix it up. You don't want it to really look like there's a distinct pattern to it. So as you can see, I'm just continually doing this with my hair, and I have a lot of hair and my hair is really long. So it takes me honestly about 2 hours to do this every time I do, but I can wear this look for a couple days and I can throw it up in a ponytail and it looks cute. And it's just worth it for me every couple of weeks to do this, to wear it for a little bit. So as you can see, I finished that side of this lower layer, so I'm moving on to the next side. And as you can see right here, I have my wand horizontal, and that doesn't really, it kind of changes the way the curl looks a little bit. But that's one great thing about this, is your curls don't have to be perfect for this look, because they're supposed to be kind of natural, messy looking. So you don't have to do it the exact same every time you curl. So yeah, just keep on doing that alternating direction, and also the smaller the pieces you pick up, the better it will look. It all is based off how much time you have, because I was trying to do this kind of quicker for the tutorial and everything. So I didn't pick up as many small pieces as I normally would, and I did less layers. But like I said, it looks so much better. The more layers, the smaller the pieces, and it will last longer with the smaller pieces. So just keep on doing that, and it, like I said, it's really time consuming, but for me it's definitely worth it. Another little thing that I like about these curls is they are something that I can do at night before I go to bed. So if I've, got a few events or something coming up in the week, but I won't have time to sit down and curl my hair, what I'll do is I'll do these curls one night and just sleep on them, and I don't put any product or anything in them. I'll just kind of lay my hair across the top of my pillow and try not to toss and turn too much in the night. But they last overnight, and then when you wake up in the morning, they've really set in because they've just sat there all night. And then you can fix up and touch up a few pieces and then apply your product, and it really works and it lasts forever. So as you can see, I went ahead and separated the next layer of my hair, and then I'm starting right at the root, right at the front of my face, and I'm curling away from my face with this little piece. And sometimes you might have to go back and touch up the ends like you just saw me do there, because it doesn't have to be perfect the first time, but just, take your time with it, and it's worth it to just take your time and do it right. And obviously, if you have less hair than I do, then it probably will not take you 2 hours. But it could easily probably take me 3 hours if I really sat down and did a bunch of layers and tiny little pieces. But like I said, just keep on going through it. Don't give up. And if you are going to do tight curls, try to do them the tightest and the smallest on the top layer, because that is obviously what you can see the most. So take your time and really, really do well on that top layer, because that's what people and you will be able to see the most. So do those the smallest. So here it is with all my curls, and as you can see, some of the pieces on the bottom are a little bit bigger and a little bit looser. So I'm going to go back in with that curling wand and just fix any pieces that have kind of fallen out or too loose or too big or whatever. So you just need to kind of go back through and like pick through and see if there's any like straight or wavy pieces and just fix those up. So now I'm just shaking out my hair, and this may seem counterintuitive, but this is what's going to make them bigger and messier. And now I'm using the Aussie Instafreeze hairspray, which literally freezes your hair. It's kind of crunchy, but I don't mind that because I just like mine to last. As you can see, I just kind of toss my hair all around and just randomly spray it. And this will really help move the curls and make them bigger and more natural looking. So now I'm using this Couture Curl Enhancing Lotion, and this stuff is absolutely amazing. I put this on my hair when it's just like my natural wavy hair and when I've curled my hair, and I feel like it makes it last. It makes it so healthy and shiny looking. So yeah, you guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my other social media. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! I love you!